On this 2014 Chevrolet Captiva, we're looking at a persistent drain of 90 to 100 milliamps, about 1/10 of an amp. And I was able to trace it around to the Logistic Mode fuse. That's the one with the yellow plastic carrier. I could pull that out and the drain would go away, and what that does is keeps battery all the time systems from draining too much current while the vehicle is in transport mode. I looked around on the wiring diagrams and finally found the rear park aid sensor module, and disconnecting it removes the drain. Let me see if I can still hold the phone and get this disconnected. Got it disconnected, and if you look, there's a lot of water on the floorboard, and that of course sits on the floorboard. And now we're down to 1 milliamp drain, so very good for that. We just got to figure out what to do here. I think the customer will probably wind up just wanting to leave that disconnected, and then they'll have to worry about drying up the water from the inside. Hope this helps. Sparky out.